Construct a pair of tangents to the circle of radius 4 centimeters and 6 centimeters away from the center of the circle. So first of all, draw a line using the rounder. Take 4 centimeters and draw a circle. Using 4 centimeters, draw the circle. Draw the circle. Locate the center of the circle as O. Locate the center of the circle as O. Then the radius is equals to 4 centimeters. The next point is from center you need to take 6 centimeters. From the center take 6 centimeters. So from center I am taking 6 centimeters line segment. That's it. So this is O and this point is A. From this point A, I need to construct the tangents to the circle of radius 4 centimeters. To construct the tangent to the circle 4 centimeters, where I should construct is the point. So that to happen that, first of all, I need to draw the perpendicular. Why we are constructing the perpendicular here means based on the perpendicular I will draw a circle. That circle you will intersect the radius 4 centimeter circle at 2 points, and the circle which I drawn, that circle will passes through the point A as well as the center of the circle. So this is the external point. It will intersect the circle at 2 points. Then at the point of intersection I will draw the tangents. So A will be the external point and these two will be the intersecting points. That's the reason I need to construct the perpendicular bisector. Okay. To construct the perpendicular bisector, remember one thing, you need to take greater than half of the radius. Is there any reason to take greater than half of the radius? Yes. If you take exactly half, the line segment will be on the point of intersection of the arcs will be on the line segment itself. If you take less than half, then they won't intersect. So to have an intersection, you need to take greater than half. Then afterwards, join this point of intersection. Since the radius is 4 centimeters, the perpendicular bisector will passes through the circle. It happens. This perpendicular bisector is nothing but making an angle of 90 degrees and dividing the line segment OA into equal parts. Then name the point as D. With D as a center and A as a AD as a radius, draw the circle. The circle will passes through the point A as well as the point center of the circle O. As well as the center of the circle O. And the second circle will intersect the circle at 2 points. Name this point as P and name this point as Q. Now using the point A and join the point Q. And using the point P and A joint join these two, you will have the tangents. Okay, you can extend them also. It looks to be better. Okay, that's the point of intersection. Just pay attention to the problem. So AQ is one tangent, AP is second tangent. So you have two tangents. How many tangents are possible here? You are having two tangents.